Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register into PNC Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL pnc.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to the website and click on the sign on button at the top right. Then click on Enroll in Online Banking. And then click on Get Started. Once you do that, you'll be headed to this page and here you'll need to enter some of your information. So first thing you need to do is enter your social security number. Once you enter your social security number, enter your PNC Visa debit card PIN or online access PIN. After that, you'll have to enter your PNC account number, so enter that. Once you fill in all your information, click on next in order to head to other processes. And then you'll have to enter more information about yourself. And once you fill all that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the PNC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.